Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting project share for scrapdivadesigns. It's a sneak peek of the July release. You can find all these die sets starting July 2nd at scrapdivadesigns.com, and you can also get a 10% discount using my discount code PRESTROMIC10. It excludes bundles and papers. Let's get started. I'm super excited to show you these projects because they're like Steamboat Willie themed and also retro themed, and I was just keep going and going on these projects and I couldn't stop. It was like so much fun and I enjoyed it, and I hope you like it. Okay, here we have the Steamboat Willie Rosette in a small and a large. I managed to somehow made them both the same size because they're expandable, and so it's really cool because you see the mouse head on the sides of the rosette, which makes them really cool looking. And also on the rosette, I've added these really bottle caps, and they're really cool. Look at these bottle caps. They're from my friend Diane Designs, and she has a YouTube channel as well, and she's doing the Disney theme swap, a group swap, and yeah, go check her out. And thank you, Diane, for gifting me all these from the Happy Meal that we did a while back. So I just like really enjoyed those embellishments, and I've finally had a use to put them on these projects. And let's move on to the next project. We have these Steamboat Willie heart hands in a large and small. Where right now you see the large ones. They're really cute, and I'll show you the small one in another project that's gonna come up soon. And we also have these really cute Steamboat Willie boy and Steamboat Willie girl, and they're layered. I really love these. You can put them on like so many different projects and it'll look so cool. And so I did a girl theme for the heart hands here, and you can slip them in. I put an acetate backing. You could put a pattern paper in the back as well and make it into a pocket like this, and it's like super duper cute. And I also did something with these Steamboat Willie boy and girl in the mini album. Later on you're gonna see it, and I hope you think it's really neat because I think so. Yeah, so that's that. And here we have the Steamboat Willie Memorydex card. It's really cool, and I also showing you the Swirl Doilies in 3 sizes. It has another larger, the largest circle is not here, but yeah, these are the Swirl Doilies as well. And this Memorydex card comes with this really cool polka dot pocket, and I've put some like holographic cold press kind of sticker onto the acetate and put it on the back of this pocket, so you can see through, and also have some sparkly like little holographic stars around it. And it comes with this really cute bow for this Memorydex card. And let's move on to the Swirl Doily. We have the smaller Swirl Doily that is bookmarked onto there, and the speed is coming from Diane as well. And here's the smaller sized heart hand Steamboat Willie, and that's the size difference. And inside there's a little picture for this one, and it has a Steamboat Willie boy and girl together. And this little middle doily, the middle size doily, also has this, and I've did a lot of laminations on the ephemera, and so the ephemera is like you can change it up, which is really cool, and you can make it like slot in the heart hands as well, which is really cool. And here's that Memorydex card, Steamboat Willie Memorydex card. And this one here is from my stash, this whole thing, and you can remove this as well because I did some lamination, the cold press lamination here. And oh, these ones here are from an older release, but I just thought it fits the Steamboat Willie theme. Are these mouse bows in the small size? It also has a large size, but it's not shown here. Didn't make them. And you have a choice of punching out the polka dots or not. There's a template that you place on top of it, so you can make it solid or polka dot. It's really cool. And I've hanged some charms down here. It's like really cool. Let's move on to this really cool item. Here is the Steamboat Willie mini album, and you can also make it into a jellytote because it has that like a pattern, jellytote pattern at the back. As you can see, you can put it up to the front here. I made it into a shaker and into a mini album because I have some stories to tell for my projects. And so this is the Say Cheese Happiest Place paper collection here. It's really cute. Oh, I found the girl. I was like looking for the girl, but yeah, there's a story for that. And so let's, and then I have these charms here. There's a lollipop that's mouse shaped here. And let's move on. So we arrived at the happiest place here. There's an arrow, my happy place. And this is what I did with those Steamboat Willie boy and girl that I was talking about. And I've laminated them because I want to change up their costumes. And so it's really cool. I really love this idea. And yeah, it's like, you know, really cool. I just enjoy this. Like, you know, it's like even children can like play with this as well and tell their own stories, or you can tell it during bedtime stories or whatever it is, and it's like really cool. Both of them can change their costumes. Like this girl can change the hat, the flower, the dress, and the shoes, but I decided to just show you the boy one because I don't know if I'm gonna run out of storage again. So yeah, let's change up the clothes. The shorts, you can change it up, and I'll choose this one here. Here's like the luggage and full of clothes. So I decided to change it up into a red shorts here. This is so cool, isn't this? And the shoes, you can change it up. And I just put double-sided tape to stick it on. And here we go. So cool. Look how cute this is. All right, so we've changed our clothes and we're gonna go to the ticket booth to get some tickets for the rides. And here we arrived at the ticket booth. We're gonna order some tickets. So let's put this aside. We're gonna continue on with the story some more. Here's the ticket booth that we've arrived to, and it's really cool. This one is called the Steamboat Willie gift box. I just love this gift box a lot. It's really neat. And so Mickey Mouse is selling tickets, and you can, I made it into a pocket so you can slip the Steamboat Willie into this box here. And yeah, and we have the balloons. You can change it up as well. And when you go to the side, it includes the sign here, and you can open the sign and have it hang like that. And it says "Fun This Way." It's like so cool, isn't this cool? And then you can store it away by just putting a sticky tape there. You have a swing. On the side is like a rocket ride. And the back, I've done another thing. I just added like a little pocket here. I just did it on my own. It's not from the set, it's on my own, just in case you're wondering. And so here you can also put the Steamboat Willie girl into the slot pocket. And you can change this up again, this sign. And she's selling food here. some yummy pretzels and popcorn. And let's open up the box. And the box looks like this. Isn't it? Like, it's a lot of space. Oh, the tape came off. I think I might need to like tape this down better. And so it fits a lot of things. Like, I have this really cool lollipop thing. And there's like, once you finish that one, there's some extras here. And so you can gift that in there. It makes a really great gift box. Look at this. Still more room in there. And then I use the Mickey Mouse, the mouse clip here. And then the flag. And then it's like this. Very cool. And let's move on to back to the album. We have, once we got our tickets, we ordered our tickets. We're going to the rides, and we have this one here. And the girl is gonna go ride the teacup. And you can put more characters in here. And this is hold on tight. And this bumper car is a single, this ad is a single rider. There's only one seat. So yeah, so cool. And after the rides, we're getting hungry, so we're just going to order some food. So the next one is snacks, these yummy snacks here. And the yummy snacks, we're going to, the girl's gonna order some cotton candy. She's gonna have some cotton candy. And Steamboat Willie boy is gonna order snow cone because it's super hot today. And after the snacks, we're gonna go shopping. So we're gonna go shopping now. And yeah, we have a shopping list here. And I've written down some items that we're gonna go get. And we're gonna get some Steamboat Willie high top shoes, Steamboat Willie records, Steamboat Willie mini boombox, Steamboat Willie mixed tape, Steamboat guitar, Steamboat Willie large boombox. So the last two, I'm still like looking for those items, but I believe we're gonna find the first four. So I guess the last two is like, you know, custom made, and so it takes some time to be made. So we just order those and it's being made still, and it's probably going to appear in the next video. And so in the back we have some of this as well, just pictures. You can replace pictures with a different picture, you know, because they're all laminated, which is like really cool. I have the girl version of the photo here. You can put it, and then you can write down, like, you know, you can write down fun, whatever you're feeling that during that day or whatever it is, you know. It's really cool. And so yeah, let's go get the stuff on our list. So we're gonna shop for the stuff on our list, and I've already checked off to the high top shoes. So here's another project, high top shoes. It's really cool. Isn't this so cool? I just love this. And I also laminated it so you can change up this picture here. You can put many different images. You can put Steamboat Willie on here. Isn't that so cool? So cool. I think this one, this color would match it more. Yeah, I just love it. And so this high top shoe is like, you can make it into mini album. I put some slots here so you can put more pictures so that you can change it up. You just go into the pocket and then put it in here and then swap it or whatever. So I just love this high top shoe. It's like whatever you see here is included. And the lacing, you can even put real laces through these holes. I've left it like not glued, so I think it's so cool looking. And yeah, I just laminated it here so that you can remove it easily, the pictures. So this is the high top mini album. Oh no, not high top mini album, sorry. Steamboat Willie, I think it's called Steamboat Willie shoe. Let me see, Steamboat Willie. Oh no, this is Converse mini album. Yeah, this is called the Converse mini album. And next up on our list is the Steamboat Willie records. There's a small and a large here. Aren't they so adorable? And here's one of those embellishments that Diane gifted me. And the small record has Steamboat Bill because there's like 2 songs for Steamboat Willie. And here's the larger one. Turkey and the Straw is the other song. It's so adorable. And this is the Mouse and Me paper collection, including those rosettes is from Mouse and Me from Echo Park. It's really adorable, these records. And next up on our list is the Steamboat Willie mini boombox. And there's 3 sizes, and I just think they're super adorable. Small, medium, and large. Let's start with the small one. And it doesn't come with these ones are from another set. These words are from the mixtape stamp and die set, and this is one of them, is #1 hit. So I've added some like little beads to make it into a shaker for these bin box. It's like so adorable. I just love these. And here's the medium one. I really love this style with the daisies at the back, and then the smiley daisies in the middle as the shaker. They were moving at one point. I was just like kind of stuck. And I put some daisies in there as well. And then here's a daisy little charm. Isn't this so adorable? And here's one of those mixed tape. And then birthday gems. And then this one, I've just added the mouse heads in the middle here. Yeah, so adorable. This is the largest one. So those are the mini bin box set. And then finally we have the Steamboat Willie mixtape. Here we have it, Steamboat Willie mixtape. Isn't this adorable? And I've made a pocket. You can make it into album, you can make it into a shaker as well. It's so adorable, this mixtape. And here are the other words. It's so like so many options, which is really cool. Yep. These are the words. So these are the projects I have so far. I still have the Steamboat Willie. Oh, I gotta check off the list. So we found the Steamboat mini boombox and Steamboat Willie mixtape, and you can even put the prices on the side here as well. And are still waiting for the custom Steamboat Willie guitar and custom Steamboat Willie large boombox, which will probably become available in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll put all the links once it becomes available on July 2nd, and also put my discount code or my referral link. Either one you can do, or you can do both. Yeah, and you can get the 10% discount with my code PRISTRAMIC10. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!